All right, today, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about sonnets. So sonnets are, remember, one of our historical forms of writing from our main man Shakespeare himself. We looked at some of the history of a sonnet. So a sonnet itself has a lot of components: 14 verses, 4 main stanzas, 10 syllables, and a rhyme scheme. For those 4 stanzas, remember 3 have 4 verses, 1 stanza has 2 verses. Okay? So that's just kind of how we write that out. 14 verses and 4 stanzas. 4 of the stanzas will have 3 verses. 1 of the stanza will have 2 verses. Okay, this is what your sonnet will look like. All right, so just kind of take that in. Now, 10 syllables in each verse. Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? In that sentence, shall I compare thee to a summer's day, has 10 syllables. And we're going to look right now. It's going to have all 10 so you guys can see it. There it is. And then lastly, but never too last, add a rhyme scheme. So your rhyme scheme is going to be ABAB, CDCD, EFEF, GG. So the day here rhymes with May, temperate, date. This is AA. B. Remember, the rhyme scheme only changes when the words change. If the words rhyme, then it's the same letter. So be careful of that when you're making your own poems. Okay, so make sure you have that rhyme scheme. Okay, themes. Usually the themes in sonnets are about love, beauty, and nature. Your themes will be about love. Focus on that love element, ladies and gentlemen. All right, ladies and gentlemen, go out there and write some beautiful sonnets.